Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now before we jump into today's video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to everyone thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here, and my opinions are not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion. With that being said, let's dive into today's video. Enjoy everyone. Let's go.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
Alright, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. And now, in this portion of the video, we're going to go over my first impressions with the T-Fun Hybrid Active Noise Cancellation Truly Wireless Bluetooth Headphones. Alright, so I hope everyone enjoyed the first portion of this video, which pretty much was a feature rundown and then an unboxing of everything that comes with these headphones. Now let's jump into the first impressions portion of the video. Alright, so without further ado, first things first, T-Fun. Okay, guys, great packaging, great presentation, Really, really clean, really, really straightforward. And really great job in including everything that you're going to need with a pair of headphones, right? My only gripe with the included accessories is the 3.5 millimeter cable is silver plated, okay? Silver plated cables give you worse audio quality when using the headphones wired. You really want to include gold-plated cables for better overall audio quality. Case in point, T-Fun. You guys have a big adapter for DJ-style headphones. Notice, it's gold-plated, right? You guys have a adapter for using the headphones on an airplane. Notice, it's gold-plated. But y'all did not include a gold-plated 3.5 millimeter cable. Why? Now, it's not really a deal breaker for me because I keep a gold-plated 3.5 audio cable for when I test Bluetooth headphones with included 3.5 millimeter ports. But that was my only gripe with the included accessories. The 3.5 millimeter audio cable was not gold plated, so it's going to give you overall worse audio quality. Other than that, the packaging was great, the presentation was great, and I really do appreciate all of the included accessories. Now, moving on to the first impressions of the headphones, and all I've done before pushing record on this video was unbox everything, okay, take it out of its protective plastic, charge up the headphones to 100%, and then I reboxed everything exactly the way it came when I unboxed it. So all I did was fully charge the headphones, then I boxed everything back up. Now, getting into the first impressions of the headphones, I really do like the overall minimalism here. No company branding whatsoever. Very clean, very straightforward. But this leads us to my other gripe. These headphones fold and they swivel. I'm not a fan of folding, swiveling headphones because that introduces another breakage point. And I've said this on a lot of my other headphone videos, but it is what it is, okay? So that's my other gripe that I have with these headphones. They swivel and they fold. It does add to the overall portability, but it does also add another potential breakage point for the headphones. But other than that, first impressions of the headphones in terms of the presentation, really, really good. I like the labeling for the right and left up top, as well as in the ear cup on both sides. So you got labeled right, and it's labeled in the ear cup, as well as up top. And then I really do like the ear cups. Nice and soft, breathable material. I like those ear cups. Now, I haven't tried it on yet. I also like the padding for the head. Nice and soft, breathable material. So I feel like this is going to be extremely comfortable. Another thing that I like is that T-Fun, you guys included physical clicky buttons. Physical clicky buttons. I got a gnat in here. I don't know how that gnat got in here. And I'm a big fan of physical clicky buttons. So, big, good stuff there. Now, let me go ahead and throw them on and give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and the feel. Alright? And another good thing that I like is the battery life that's supposed to be included with these. Right? So, with ANC on, because they do have active noise cancellation, as well as transparency mode on, so either or, you're going to get 55 hours of usage with the headphones. With ANC off, okay, you're going to get 65 hours of usage with the headphones. Let me give y'all my first impressions of the fit and the feel. Oh wow, oh yeah, these went right on there, and they covered my entire ear, and they are, as I thought, extremely comfortable. Let me adjust them so I get that nice snug fit. And they really do isolate my ears. And I get some really good passive noise cancellation because I can barely hear myself talk right now. So I'm sure that when I connect them up to my devices and I start playing whatever I play, I'm going to be fully immersed into whatever I'm doing with the headphones. And they are supposed to have some really good microphones as well for crystal clear phone calls. But first impressions of the overall fit, it is top notch, I could tell y'all right now. And I really do like the fact that they do include waterproofing. Now, it's not the best waterproofing, being IPX4, but it is some form of waterproofing. So this means I could take them to the gym, I could take them on walks outside, and if I get caught in the rain or they so happen to get splashed on or sweated in, they should perform no problems. So I really am a big fan, and I appreciate the waterproofing on these. Now, let me give y'all some pictures so y'all get an idea of how the headphones looked on my head. In case your head size is similar to mine, then you'll get a really good overall general idea of how these headphones are going to look on your head. So what are we going to use today? Let's use the Pixel. We've been using the iPhone a lot lately. Let's use the Pixel 6a. Put the iPhone down real quick. Sorry, iPhone 11. Let me fire this up, and we'll take some pictures for everyone. Okay, so let's do a nice front profile here so y'all can see. Boom. Let's do a nice side profile. So this is one side. Boom. And let's do the other side. Boom. And let me see how they look. So, oh yeah. And y'all gonna have to forgive the mess you see on my bed in the background. As I said, I did take off all the plastics and things, but I just threw that off to the side because I wanted to get this video done as quickly as possible. But, oh yeah, these look really, really good. Really, really good. Oh yeah, and they are extremely comfortable. So let me show y'all. Here's a shot of the front profile. So you can see they go over my entire ear, and they are really, really comfortable on my head. Okay. And then here is one side. Right there. And here's the other side right there. And again, please forgive the mess you see on my bed in the background. That's all the tapes and plastics from the initial unboxing experience. But there you guys and gals have it. So, first impressions of the overall fit and feel, and impressions in general of the T-Fun hybrid active noise cancellation truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. They do seem to be really, really good. Now, I feel like I'm really going to enjoy testing these and using these. It has been quite a while since I've reviewed some actual headphones, and when I saw these come in and become available via the Amazon Vine program, as I said earlier, I was like, oh yeah, y'all need a review for that? Go ahead and send them on down. I can review those. And I really do feel like I'm going to enjoy these, and I will really get some good usage out of these during my review process and even long after my review process. But as the name implies, this did come into the channel free of charge thanks to the Amazon Vine program. So that means I'm going to go ahead and have a written review out on these first before all of my video coverage starts. Okay? But that being said, if this video piqued your interest and you guys and gals would like to know where y'all can pick up these headphones at some really great prices, all of my affiliated buy links will be available located down below in the video description. Okay? And as the name implies, those are affiliated buy links. So when y'all use those links to make your purchases, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel. But that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate buy links a win-win for everyone. And as always, if you like and are interested in anything featured in today's video, whether it be the headphones or the featured devices, okay, all the links for the featured devices and the headphones will be available down below in the video description as well. Sorry for the bumpy cam productions, okay? So as always, the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. I hope everyone enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions of these inexpensive, truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. And you guys and gals stay tuned because there are more coverage to come. We honestly have a bunch of different things that we're looking at across the channel at a bunch of different price points. Relatively, everything is relatively inexpensive, but I like to cover a wide genre of devices for every price point, and I am a big fan of wireless headphones. So as I said, when these came in and there was a review request available, I jumped at the chance to do so. Alright, so I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do, okay? And this video here today was recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. This video was recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. And I am using my professional studio lights here today. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality and the lighting down below in the comments. As always, please remember to keep your comments respectful, please. We're all grown-ups and we should all be able to respectfully share our opinions. Okay? That does it for today's video. I can't wait to start jumping into testing these. Y'all stay tuned because we will have a fit and sound demo. We will have a microphone test. And as always, everything will culminate in the full overall review where I'll go over everything you guys and gals need to know and let you guys and gals know if these truly wireless Bluetooth headphones are worth picking up. Alright, I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Oh yeah, man, like I said, I have to say, I'm a big fan of the clean, no branding on the headphones. I do wish I could have gotten them in black. I'm not a big fan of white. White kind of gets dirty easily. These are probably going to be torture to try and keep clean, but I am really, really excited. Let's get into the review process. Let's get started. Let's go. I'll see you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one. We're out of here. Peace.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man,